Hello and welcome to Elefat Printing and Design. Right now we're at elefat.com and we're under the art portal. So if you're kind of thinking of some designs that you want but you don't know how to describe it, we have this art portal. You can go under Design Services, Art Portal. Or you can go at the bottom, which is going to be under Resources and Design Ideas. Once you're here, you have your categories to pick from. You have your clip art, your fonts, clip art, and your designs. So for instance, say you wanted to do something like this, you basically hit add, and say you wanted to have keep it green, and say you wanted that in red. So then all you would do is basically just type in how you want this to be edited. So you want 20xx to be, say 25, say 2025. And then you would edit it and send it back, send a proof back to you. Then add item. And say you wanted to add this font, and then you say you wanted to say Elefat Printing, and add that item, and say you wanted some kind of clip art, and say we're going to search cams. Let's do all. Let's see what comes up. Say you wanted this there, but you wanted this in blue. Add that. After that, you go to your section down here. So this is all your components, your assets that you wanted to design. We'll put it all together and then send you a proof. It's submit design request. Then add your information, and we'll get back to you in a day or so, probably sooner. But if you wanted to upload some ideas too, you can also do it as well right there and hit submit design. And thank you for choosing Elefat, and have a good day.